What's the idea with the playboy? Just give him the hiccups, Scoop. Jim, I can sleep next to Sully. He gets staggered. Hey, son, if you wake my boy again,